How y'all doing? Alright, so we're on the Getting It farm. I'm going to show y'all how to shotgun a beer redneck style. Now, this is not a beer because we don't do any underage drinking on this channel. It's not allowed. So, first thing you need to do is get yourself a soda. Or if you are over 21, you can get yourself a beer. If not, I don't care. Folks, so we got a Sierra Mist Zero Sugar. Never had this stuff, part tastes like butt. The first thing you need to do is set it down right there. And then, you need to get your redneck uniform on for shotgunning this beer, aka soda. So, we're going to hop into our uniform. What in Sam Hill? This is meant for chugging a whole 12-pack. We gotta change again. Holy cow. Look at this. Now, we got our redneck uniform on. Look at this. I am 6'8". Okay. And then, we need a gun. Alright, so we're going to use my redneck powers to call one in. What in Sam Hill is this piece of junk? I said gun. Now give me a gun. Preferably a pistol. What's this? None of this fake stuff. Give me a real gun. A real gun. None of this fake stuff. I don't even work. Now give me a real gun. Now we got ourselves a real gun. 22 Magnum. Alright. Now, what we need in this situation is some music. You know, some beer chugging, aka soda chugging music. So, I'm going to use my redneck powers and call some in. So, yahoo! 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 Now we got some music going. So, what you gonna do is take your pistol. I reckon this thing's loaded. You never know. So we're gonna find out. So, what we need to do, make sure your finger is off the trigger till you're ready to shoot. Then you gotta get your redneck position right there. Get down low, make sure you squat. Hopefully my stuff's not hanging out. Now we're a little rated R. Now, what you gotta do is make sure you got a knife. You got a knife right there. In this case, we need to make a better chugging hole. Alright? Now, get down there. Get you good squat position, you know, like you're squatting 400 pounds. Alright, so you squat down, make sure your butt's nice and tight. You know what I'm saying? You gotta flatten your hair. Then, pull the trigger. Yeah! Oh. Get it!